Alright, we are now in the last part ng ating financial foundation, yung pinaka-rooftop ng ating financial foundation and the favorite topic ng karamihan, which is how to build wealth through investment. No? About investment yung pag-uusapan natin. Okay? But first, I'd like to ask you, why do you want to invest? Bakit kailangan mong mag-invest? At kadalasan, ito ang sagot ng karamihan. Gusto kong mag-invest para kumita yung pera ko. Gusto kong mag-invest para mas lumago pa or malaki yung kitain ng pera ko nang ini-invest ko. Pero makikita natin that the main reason why we need to invest is because we want to reach our financial goals. Bakit kailangan natin mag-invest? Dahil meron tayong mga goals sa buhay. Hindi lang basta naglagay ka ng pera para kumita at hindi po yun investment. So, we invest, it is because we want to reach specific goals. Okay? Kaya kadalasan marami po ang na-scam. It is because gusto sa investment ay kitaan lang. But here, if you really want to invest, dapat you tie it up with your financial goals. Ano yung mga goals natin? Number 1, retirement fund. Number 2, you want to support your aging parents. Education ng anak, medical needs, dream house mo, dream car, gusto mo mag-travel and give comfortable lifestyle for your family, and etc. etc. No? Marami pa tayong mga goals na kailangan nating ponduhan. So, that is why we need to invest. Okay? And before that, I'd like you to learn first the power of compounding interest, which is the rule of 72. Sinasabi ni Albert Einstein dito that 72 divided by the interest rate kung saan mo nilagay yung pera mo is equal to the number of years for your money to double. So, the question here is, kapag meron akong 20,000, kailan siya magiging 40,000? Kapag meron akong 10,000 ngayon, kailan siya magiging 20,000? Okay? So, kailan dodoble yung pera ko? Alright? For example, the rule of 72, this is the power of compounding interest. You are age 29. Let's say, for example, nag-save ka or nag-invest ka. Let's say, for example, time deposit, binigyan ka ng 4%. No? So, i-compute natin, 72 divided by 4 is equal to 18. Every 18 years, so doble yung pera natin. Ibig sabihin, if you are 29 years old, you have 100,000. When you get 65, you have 400,000. Okay? But how about, mas mataas yung interest rate ng pinag-investan mo? Let's say, for example, stock market, bond fund, or mutual fund, 12% yung kinikita ng pera mo. Okay? So, 72 divided by 12 is equal to 6 years. Every 6 years, so doble yung pera mo. So, meaning, if you are age 29 and you have the same amount, 100,000, when you get 65, you have 6.4. Right? So, look at the difference. 65 sa 4%, 65 400,000. Dito sa 12%, 65, you have 6.4. So, look at the difference, di ba? 6 million yung diferensya. Okay, why? It is because, on this part, sa green part, makikita natin na the person, alam niya kung paano palaguin yung pera niya. Okay? But dito sa orange part, ay medyo 4% lang yung alam niya. Okay? So, we need to learn first saan nga ba or paano nga ba nagtatrabaho yung pera. Okay? How money works. Okay? Because the lesson here is people who don't understand how money works will end up working for money. Diba? Dahil hindi mo alam paano palaguin yung pera mo. So, kailangan mo magtrabaho habang buhay. Dahil alam mo, ang alam lang natin is about employment. Magtrabaho lang na magtrabaho para kumita ng pera. But a lot of people, mga businessmen, mga may-ari ng mga malls, no? Yung talagang mga entrepreneurs, they are the people who understand how money works. That is why they let money work for them. Alam nila kung paano nagtatrabaho ang pera. Alam nila kung saan pupunta para palaguin yung pera. So, they let money work for them. Okay? So, that is why we need to become the people who understand how money works. Okay? And I will teach you now how to build a long-term investment. Okay? Why long-term? Because I want you to get a full potential growth of your money. Okay? Dahil marami nagsasabi, o dito mag-invest ka sa kumpanya namin, mag-invest ka in just span of one week or 1 month, dodoble na yung pera mo. Wag po kayong magpapaniwala sa mga ganon because those are scams. No? Wala pong mabilisang paglago ng pera. Kapag sinabi nilang investment, ay lalago ka agad yung pera mo or dodoble ka agad yung pera mo. Wala pong ganon. Okay? So, this part or this particular slide, you will learn how to invest long term. Okay? So, there are two people. A person, ang alam niya lang ay bangko, and then another person, ang alam niya is how to invest in stock market through mutual funds. Okay? So, the person, bangko lang yung alam niya, tawag sa kanya ay depositor. So, meaning, naglalagay siya ng pera dun sa bangko, and the bank will reinvest it sa government securities, commercial papers, stocks and equities, retail loans, and real estate. Okay? So, tendency kapag nire-invest ng bangko yung pera niya, yung mga pera, magigain niya ng interest, no? Or lalago. Let's say, for example, ang tinubo ng pera ngayon is nasa 12%. So, meaning to say, 12% yung kinita ng pera, pero ang binibigay lang sa depositor is just lower than 1%. No? Kadalasan ngayon is nasa 0.125 or 0.5 or 0.75. But, bihira ang nagbibigay ng 1%. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 0.5% yung kinita ng pera mo, ang liit, 'di ba? Compare sa 12% na kinita ng bangko. Okay? But if you know how to invest in stock market, no? Your another option para mas ma-reach mo yung financial goals mo is to invest in the stock market through mutual fund. There are two ways on how to invest in stock market. Number one is trading. Ikaw mismo makikipag-trade. Number two is mutual funds, kung saan ipapamanage mo yung pera mo doon sa mas expert sa'yo at mas full-time pa sa'yo sa mutual fund or sa fund manager ng mutual fund para mas kumita yung pera natin. Okay? Let's say for example, naglagay tayo ng pera sa mutual fund. So, ang gagawin ni fund manager, i-reinvest niya rin yan, no? Invest niya sa government securities, stocks and equities, and commercial papers. But, hindi masyado sa retail loans and real estate dahil hindi niya masyadong pinapautang yung pera natin. Para liquid, no? Mabilis makuha ng investor. So, kapag kumita, let's say for example, this year kumita yung investment ng 12% sa mutual fund. So, ang binabalik sa shareholder, no? We are called shareholder, not depositor. Ang binabalik sa shareholder is 12% din. Why? Because you are part owner of the company. You are a shareholder. Okay? But it depends sa nilagay mong pera. Let's say, for example, ang nilagay mo is 1 million. So, 12% of 1 million. Pag 50,000, 12% of 50,000. Kapag 1,000, yes, pwede ka mag-invest sa 1,000. 1,000 pesos, so 12% of 1,000 pesos. Right? So, that is mutual fund. How mutual fund works. Huh? At you know what, sabi ko nga, do you know that you can invest in the big companies in the financial industry by just 1,000 pesos through mutual funds? Okay? Matututunan mo yan when you, I suggest you become an IMG. Dito sa IMG may mga trainings tayo about investment, about mutual funds, paano makapag-invest in just 1,000 pesos. So dito po tinuturo, no? I suggest you enroll in IMG para mas matutunan mo pa yan. Okay? And this is how mutual fund works. Paano tumatakbo? Let's say for example, different investors, different amount of money. It is what we call in mutual fund, this is a pooled fund. Ibig sabihin, pinagsasama-sama yung pera natin kahit gaano kaliit yung pera mo, kahit gaano kalaki yung pera nila, pagsasama-samahin yan para mas malaki yung buying power ng pera dahil mas malaki yan. Okay? And then, dadaan yan sa mutual funds or tinatawag nating financial intermediary. And sa financial intermediary na yan, meron tinatawag na fund manager na kung saan siya ang bahala kung saan niya ilalagay yung pera natin. Because he is an expert, he is also a full-time sa ginagawa niya. So, kung ikaw ay hindi masyadong full-time, ikaw ay hindi masyadong expert, alam mo na medyo malulugi ka. But this one, the fund manager, mas magaling yan sa atin, no? Siya ay expert at full-time. And magbibigay siya ng stress-free investing sa atin as investor. No? Siya ang gagawa niyan para sa atin. Okay? And siya ang bahala. Then, once ma-invest yan, so the funds are converted into shares, makaka-receive ka ng mga shares, number of shares na nabili ng pera mo. And then, successful investment adds value to the fund. So, madadagdag yung kung magkano yung kinita. So, assets are distributed accordingly to the number of shares held. Ibig sabihin, sabi ko nga, di ba, kung kumita yung mutual fund ng 12%, kung 1,000 lang yung nilagay mo, edi 1,000 at 12% of 1,000. Kung 1 million yung nilagay mo, edi 12% of 1 million. Okay? Because of the number of shares na nabili natin. Okay? And that is about mutual fund. And I will give you one of the historical performance of one of the mutual funds in the Philippines, which is the Phil Equity Fund. Okay? Dito makikita natin how money grows over time. It started, the Phil Equity started 1995 up to 2020 ngayon, di ba? 1995, and pwede kang makabili ng 1 peso per share. Piso kada share, no? So, ibig sabihin, noong 2020, mas mataas na, naging 29.5 per share. Okay? As of September 20. So, 29.5. So, anong implication yan? Kung i-compute natin from 1995 to 2000, because of the ups and downs of the market, so it gains, the actual return for the whole 25 years is nasa 2,565%, or almost, kung i-average natin, nasa 102 per year yung interest na nakukuha natin because of the ups and down of the market. Pero the implication is this: what if nag-invest ka ng 5,000 noong 1995? Magkano ang pera mo noong September 14? Okay? Let's say, for example, hindi mo dinagdagan. Hindi ka nakapag-add. No? Hindi ka nakabila ng iba pang shares. So, 1995, you have 5,000. So, 2020, September 14, 2020, you have 133,299. It is because of the power of compounding interest, and because long-term yun nangyari, and ups and downs of the market, lumago yung pera natin. Okay? So, pero kung mas madadagdagan mo pa yung investment mo, mas maganda. Basta, you need to tie it up with a goal para siguradong maging long term. Kasi kapag walang goal yan, minsan gagawin natin is put and take tayo, no? Pagka-invest mo, kukunin mo kaagad. What if kinuha mo yung shares mo ng bagsak ang market? So, malulugi ka. Okay? That is why here in IMG, tinuturo natin yan na dapat mas maintindihan pa natin. That is why we have trainings here in IMG na continuous na matutunan natin yan. Alright? So, I hope you are learning how to build your solid financial foundation step by step. And if you want to learn more, kasi maraming tao nagsasabi na, wow, marami akong natutunan. Natutunan ko how to build a solid financial foundation. The question is, paano ako ngayon magsisimula? Saan ako ngayon magsisimula? Sino ang mga pwede kong makasama? Sino ang pwedeng magturo sa akin para makapagsimula? Those are the questions of many people. Why? Because alam natin na maraming tao ang gustong mag-invest, pero hindi nila alam kung paano. But here in IMG, you can do that. No? Here in IMG, you can do all those things na matututo kang mag-invest, because in IMG, we have education, mga free trainings. Number 2, we have partner companies na pwede ka lang makapagsimula. And number 3, meron kang community. May mga mentors ka na mag-guide sa'yo. Okay? At ang maganda nito, when you become an IMG member, you have a benefits, a 48 benefits in IMG. I will share to you the top 48 benefits of IMG. And I'd like you to watch this video para mas maintindihan mo ano yung makukuha mo when you become an IMG member. Alright? So kindly watch this video.